Hey there, future e-commerce rock star. Are you ready to break free from the 9-to-5 grind and unleash your inner boss? Get ready to embark on the most thrilling adventure of your life, because we've got something exciting to share with you. Imagine a life where you can work from your laptop, sipping on your favorite drink, while soaking up the sun on a beautiful beach. Well, that's the magic of e-commerce dropshipping with Shopify. No more cubicles, no more dress codes, just you, your laptop, and the world as your playground. But wait, there's more! You know those incredible brands you love? Guess what? You can build your very own, and it's easier than you think. Our epic course will be your secret weapon, guiding you through the wild world of e-commerce, helping you transform your store into a brand that people can't stop talking about. Now, we know what you're thinking. But I'm not a tech wizard. No worries, friend. Shopify has got your back. It's so user-friendly, even your grandma could rock it. Well, maybe not your grandma, but you get the idea. Are you ready to kick fear to the curb? Success comes to those who are bold enough to take the leap. Imagine the high fives you'll be giving yourself when you start seeing those sales rolling in. And guess what? You don't need a gazillion dollars to start. We've got an exclusive deal just for you. Get started with Shopify for just $1. Yep, you heard that right. So let's do this. Click that link in our bio and let the magic begin. Your journey to freedom, success, and living life on your own terms starts right here, right now. Remember, life's too short for regrets. Don't let your dreams sit on the back burner any longer. This is your chance to shine like a shooting star and make your mark on the world. As the wise Beyoncé once said, who runs the world? Girls, and guys too. So let's smash those barriers, break free from the ordinary, and create the extraordinary. Click the link, start your Shopify dropshipping adventure, and let's make this the beginning of an epic success story. You've got the power, the passion, and the Shopify platform at your fingertips. Now go out there and slay. Life's a roller coaster, and it's time to ride it like a pro. Embrace the ups, learn from the downs, and enjoy every twist and turn. Your dreams are the fuel to your success. Now go out there and make it happen. So let's go, e-commerce warriors. Your Shopify empire awaits $1, one dream, and one epic adventure at a time. Let's get this party started. Don't forget to click the link in bio.